Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a simple yet elegant way to elevate your home decor, today's product might be exactly what you need. Today, we're taking a look at the LKXHarleya Retro Glass Candlestick Holder. This beautiful vintage-inspired candle holder combines timeless style with modern craftsmanship, making it a perfect decorative piece for homes, weddings, dinner parties, and special events. Before we get started, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews and home decor inspiration. One of the standout features of this candlestick holder is its premium construction. It's made from high-quality colored translucent crystal glass that is created through high-temperature firing and hand-blown craftsmanship. The result is a stunning piece with excellent clarity, beautiful color, and an elegant finish. The design itself is both vintage and sophisticated. Whether your decor style is mid-century modern, vintage, bohemian, Moroccan, or contemporary, this candle holder blends seamlessly into a wide range of interior designs. Another great feature is the variety of color options available. With 6 different colors to choose from, you can easily match the candle holder to your existing decor or create a unique centerpiece for weddings, anniversaries, housewarming parties, holiday gatherings, or romantic dinners. In terms of size, the holder measures approximately 10.6 inches tall and 4.1 inches wide. It's designed to securely hold taper candles that are up to 10 inches tall and about 1 inch in diameter. For safety and to protect the glass from excessive heat, the manufacturer recommends extinguishing the candle before it completely burns down. This simple precaution helps preserve the beauty and durability of the holder for years to come. Overall, if you're searching for a decorative accent that combines elegance, functionality, and vintage charm, the LKXHarleya Retro Glass Candlestick Holder is definitely worth considering. If you'd like to learn more or purchase one for yourself, you'll find the product link in the description below. And if you're enjoying this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel and stay updated on future reviews. Once again, if you're interested in checking out this beautiful candle holder, the product link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.